Eli Lilly shares jumping on first quarter results. The company beating bottom line expectations, raising also its full year guidance on strong sales of its diabetes and weight loss drugs. The CEO, David Ricks, joined us earlier on the show.
Really strong quarter for the company, up 26% on the top line and over 50% on the EPS line. So super strong. And a lot of good new clinical readouts as well, Joe, with obstructive sleep apnea recently and a condition called MASH or NASH, sort of the fatty liver disease, that these drugs can affect that as well. So super exciting times.
For a closer look at Lilly, we want to bring in Cantor Fitzgerald Managing Director Louise Chen. She rates Lilly as overweight with a $815 price target. You can't call anything overweight when we're talking about Lilly, given these drugs. But Louise, it's nice to see you this morning. Help us understand what you thought of these results and frankly, how much farther it goes.
Yeah, so I thought the results were great, even though there was a modest miss on the top line that was widely anticipated due to shortage of their incretins due to manufacturing, capacity supply constraints. But if you look at Zepbound, they beat big. And first full quarter into launch, analyzing at $2 billion a year. So really setting the stage for tens of billions of dollars of sales from obesity and type 2 diabetes drugs. And then also they're investing in the future. They're positioned in the right areas. They're in the next wave of obesity assets. Orals, amylin, they're also in combination products as well. And then they've got two products that they might get approved this year, which are real sleepers in their pipeline, which is lebrikizumab for atopic dermatitis, and then donanemab for Alzheimer's disease.
How much of this stock, though, do you think is priced for perfection? I mean, what happens, for example, if one of these oral drugs for weight loss isn't approved or takes years to actually get to the promised land? What does that do to this type of stock at this price?
Yeah, that's always a risk. I mean, Lilly is currently priced to perfection, but I think what people may be missing about the next leg of growth is for anybody else to get into this space. There's two players, right? There's Lilly and there's Novo. They really have to invest in the manufacturing. We're seeing how hard that is. Lilly and Novo both spent billions of dollars manufacturing, and it looks like they probably won't even get to be able to supply the market till at least next year. So I think it's going to be hard for people to get in. I think so far the oral data has looked positive that Lilly has put out there for orforglipron, and I'm optimistic about the future for the company.
Is this now, when you look at Lilly, is this a one-drug company? Is it a three-drug company? At one point you would have thought of this as a diversified drug maker. Now you might not think about it like that.
Yeah, that's a great question. I do think that it is a multi-diversified drug maker. There's still a lot of assets in their pipeline that people give them no credit for. They have an LP(a) product, which I think is very interesting and has a lot of growth potential. They also have some of the next wave of obesity drugs, which I think could be really interesting and that will move them away from just GLP-1s. And then they also have Alzheimer's, which I mentioned before, which I think has really fallen by the wayside and people have not paid any attention to, but it could be really interesting for them going forward.